सिंह वाले तेरा पल्ला लटका, ओठना सिंह वाले तेरा पल्ला लटका। रातू नीम का ताला क्यों खड़ी खड़ी मटका, रातू नीम का ताला क्यों खड़ी खड़ी मटका।
मैं तो ढूंढिया पे चोटी नुए पट्टी कूंगी, ढूंढिया पे चोटी नुए पट्टी कूंगी। हो मेरी सासू के मैं तो नुए मट्टी कूंगी, मेरी सासू के मैं तो नुए मट्टी कूंगी।
डीजे ऊपर मटकी छोरी, मेरे जिगर में खटकी छोरी। दिन तो ए रोटी सी सेकी, दिन तो ए रोटी सी सेकी। हेरा रा चीज कसूती देखी, हेरा रा चीज कसूती देखी।
हट्टा में ले रहा था घोड़ा, जड़ में बैठ गया होके छोड़ा। हाथियों ने मेरे हाथ पे टेक्या, हाथियों ने मेरे हाथ पे टेक्या। हेरी री छैल का सुत्ता देखा, हेरी री छैल का सुत्ता देखा।
जेड़ा बंब सुट मार दूगा बल्लिए, तेरा बापू वाले देता नहीं। जेड़ा चौक विच खड़े नू ही चक लू, तेरा भाई अगरेंता नहीं। या तेरा गली विच गेड़े लाउंदा रहूगा, ठोक दूंगा साला जेड़ा तेन पंज कहूगा।
पट्टियां दा सुट मैनू अज सिलवा देवे, भाई मैनू सोने दियां बालियां मंगा देवे। पट्टियां दा सुट मैनू अज सिलवा देवे, भाई मैनू सोने दियां बालियां मंगा देवे।
ले चल मेले असी नी वेले,
मेरा तंग हाल ना तू खिच मेरी खाल, छड़ मैनू तड़पाना।
सब से आते हैं क्यों मुझे, आते हैं क्यों मुझे। तुम दिल जले लग के गले, रुलाते हैं मुझे।
तेरे आगे क्या ही फरमाए, बन के नशा तो एक सर चढ़ जाए। बस फिर तू ही बढ़ाए, तू ही गिराए, बोल के रख दे तू मेरी थर्ड आए। कैसे कहूँ क्या मैं करूँ फील, तुझे नहीं पता कि तू करे मुझे ही। मुझे जब हाथ लगाए पास से तू आए, मेरा सर घुमा ऐसा कहीं कर दूँ मैं बेबी।
जो न करना था कर गई, मैं भी कित जाके मर गई। जो न करना था कर गई, मैं भी कित जाके मर गई। अच्छी खासी जगड़ी चंगी घानी बावड़ी होगी, मैं 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 घानी। रोज सवेरे धीम अंधेरे, घर से भागी मैं भागी, घर से धारे बाज दे। बिना बात के बीच रात के, नींद से जागी मैं जागी, नींद से धारे बाज दे। दुनिया के बोले तू जान दे, मेरे दिल की जान ले। मैं गानी बावड़ी होगी, मैं गानी बावड़ी होगी, मैं गानी।
Hypnotic in my drink, that's right. Pop that, pop that.
ओ तुझसे मिलना पुरानी दिल्ली में, छोड़ आए निशानी दिल्ली में। पल्ली मारा से दरी बेतलक, तेरी मेरी कहानी दिल्ली में। ओह काली कमली वाले को याद करके, तेरे काले काले नैनों की कसम खाते हैं। ओ तेरे काले काले नैनों की बलाएं ले लूं, तेरे काले काले नैनों को दुआएं दे दूं। मेरी जान उदास है, होठों पे प्यास है, आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे। ओ तेरी बातों में इमाम की खुशबू है, ओ तेरा आना भी गर्मियों की लू है। ओ तेरी बातों में इमाम की खुशबू है, ओ तेरा आना भी गर्मियों की लू है।
मेरी अंगड़ाई न टूटे तू आजा, मेरी अंगड़ाई न टूटे तू आजा।
गजरा रे गजरा रे गजरा रे, तेरे कारे कारे नैना। गजरा रे
गहरी का, मेरे आगे गुस्सा ठंडा पड़ जावे से जहरी का। ओ सारे शहर में चले से यूरोप बेरी का, मेरे आगे गुस्सा ठंडा पड़ जावे से जहरी का। हो मेरो बालम थानेदार चलावे जिपसी, हाय मेरो बालम थानेदार चलावे जिपसी, हाय मेरो बालम थानेदार चलावे जिपसी।
निकल रही थी मैं तो सच के सवर के, रोका मेरी अम्मा ने आंखें बड़ी करके। हो बोली मुझे क्यों रे कहा चले कल मूवी, खेतों में कुंवारी छोरी जाती मैं ही यूं ही। ऐसे लड़के जो खेतों में बुलाते हैं, हाँ ऐसे लड़के जो खेतों में बुलाते हैं, बेटी बनते कभी भी वो जमाई नहीं।
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. We are going to perform a very beautiful short story, The Happy Prince, written by the Oscar Wilde. High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes, he had 2 bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. One night, there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too.
I will put up there. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air.
So he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. He prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him.
What a curious thing! There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining.
Then another drop fell.
What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? I must look for a good chimney pot.
He determined to fly away, but before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell. And he looked up and saw the eyes of the Happy Prince were filled with tears.
Who are you?
I'm the Happy Prince.
Why are you weeping then? You have quite drenched me.
When I was alive and had a human heart, I didn't know what tears were, for I lived in the palace, where sorrow is not allowed to enter. My courtiers called me the Happy Prince, and happy indeed I was. So I lived, and so I died. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep.
What? Is he not solid gold?
Far away, in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. Her face is thin and worn, and she has coarse red hands all pricked by the needle, for she is a seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queens maid of honor to wear at the next court ball. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move.
I am waited for in Egypt.
The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad.
I don't think I like boys. I want to go to Egypt.
But the Happy Prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. But he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Thank you, little swallow.
He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover.
I hope my dress will be ready in the time for the state ball. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy.
At last he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed and the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired, and he hoped, and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings.
How cool I feel. I must be getting better.
And he sank into a delicious slumber. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done.
It is curious, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold.
That is because you have done a good action.
And the little swallow began to think and then fall asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath.
Tonight I go to Egypt.
When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince.
Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you stay with me one night longer?
I am waited for in Egypt.
Far away across the city, I see a young man in a garret. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers, and he has large and dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theatre, but he is too cold to write anymore. There is no fire in the grate, and hunger has made him faint.
I will wait with you one night longer. Who really had a good heart? If we should take another ruby to the young playwright?
Alas, I have no ruby now. My eyes are all that I have left. They are made of rare sapphires, which were brought out of India 1,000 years ago. I ordered you to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright. He will sell it to the jeweler and buy firewood and finish his play.
Dear prince, I cannot do that.
Swallow, swallow, little swallow, do as I command you.
The little swallow began to weep and plucked out the prince's eyes and flew away to the young man's garret. It was easy enough to get in, as there was a hole in the roof. Through this he darted and came into the room. The young man had his head buried in his hands, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wing. When he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets.
I am beginning to be appreciated. This is from some great admirer. Now I can finish my play.
The next day the swallow flew down to the harbour. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailors working.
I am going to Egypt. I have come to bid you goodbye.
Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not stay with me one night longer?
It is winter.
In the square below, there stands a little match girl. She has let her matches fall in the gutter and they are all spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money. And she is crying. She has no shoes or stockings and her little head is bare. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her.
I will stay with you one night longer, but I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind then.
Swallow, swallow, little swallow, do as I command you.
So he plucked out the prince's other eyes and darted down with it. He swooped past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand.
What a lovely bit of glass.
Then the swallow came back to the prince.
You are blind now, so I will stay with you always.
No, little swallow, you must go away to Egypt.
The little swallow slept at the prince's feet.
I am covered with fine gold. You must take it off, leaf by leaf, and give it to the poor. The living always think that gold can make them happy.
Leaf after leaf of the fine gold the swallow picked off, till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold he brought to the poor, and the children's faces grew rosier, and then they laughed and played in the street. Then the snow came, and after the snow came the frost. The streets looked as if they were made of silver. Everybody went about in furs. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. He loved him too well. But at last, he knew that he was going to die. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulders once more.
Goodbye, dear prince. Will you let me kiss your hand?
I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow.
It is not to Egypt that I am going. I am going to the house of death. Death is the brother of sleep, is he not?
And he kissed the happy prince on his hand and fell down dead at his feet. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue. As if something had broken. The fact is that the leaden heart had snapped right in two. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in the company with the town councillors. As they passed the column, he looked up the statue.
Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks.
The ruby has fallen out of his sword, his eyes are gone, and he is golden no longer.
And here is actually a dead bird at his feet. We must really issue a proclamation that birds are not to be allowed to die here. As he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful.
Then they melted the statue in a furnace. What a strange thing. This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. So they threw it on a dust heap where the dead swallow was also lying.
Bring me the two most precious things in the city.
One of his angels, and the angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird.
You have rightly chosen, and in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me. For in my garden of paradise, this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me.
Why this Colavery tea? White skin girl heart black. Ice meat my future dark. Why this Colavery tea? Why this Colavery tea? மாமா நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோ, அப்படியே கையில் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோ. சரியா வாசி? சூப்பர் மாமா. ரெடி 1 2 3 4. What a change over, mama. Okay, mama. Now tune change. Kaila glass. Only English. Hand glass. Glass scotch. Ice full of tear. Empty life. Girl come. Life reverse gear. Love, oh my love, you showed me power. Cow, holy cow, I want you here now. God, I am dying now. She's happy now. This is song for boys. We don't have choice. Why the Colavery tea? Why this Colavery tea?
गल सुन ललारिया वे आ लोग मेरे ते हस दे पैसे ज्यादा दे दूंगी मैचिंग कर देगा तां दस दे सुन ला वी रिट्टो सिम चाहिदी आला फोटो वे फरारी लाल दी चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया वे चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया मेरे यार दी गड्डी दे नाल दी चुन्नी मेरी रंग दे ललारिया वे मेरे यार दी गड्डी दे नाल दी ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਕੁੰਡਲਾਂ ਪਵਾ ਲਵਾਂ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਸ਼ਰਿਆਮ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਸੋਚਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਗੁੱਟੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਟੈਟੂ ਬਣਵਾ ਲਵਾਂ ਸੋਚਦੀ ਫਿਟਾਲਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਫੈਂਟਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕੁੜਤੀ ਸਵਾ ਲਵਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਵੇ ਉਮਰ ਵਧੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਵੇ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਦੇਖ ਲੈ ਜੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਕਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਦੇਖੀ ਵੇ ਦੁਪੱਟੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਿਕਦੇ ਇੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਜੱਟੀ ਤੇ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਖੇ ਗਾਣਾ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੇ ਸਨਿਆਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਖੜੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਹਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਫੋਰਾ ਗੇੜਾ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਏ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਏ ਦਿਦਾਰੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਜੱਜ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਈ ਮੈਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਨਾ ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਸੱਦੀ ਨਾ ਸੱਦੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਵੇ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ
अरे डांस करो भैया डांस करो ना डांस डांस
Breaking news.